Hey, gang, I'm on the road again, and I'm coming to you from the tailgate of the Battle Wagon, but I had to share something special with you today. It's December 1st, so it had to be today. Mrs. McBeardyFace got me something special. She got me the Mystery Dice Box Advent Calendar. It's upside down. The Mystery Dice Advent Calendar. So, the first thing about this that was kind of funny is that it's clearly AI artwork because the dragon's missing an arm. But you know what? I don't care. It just makes it charming. But today is December 1st, so today is day one on the Advent calendar. So we're going to open this together. I already took the plastic off. So inside we got Merry Christmas and we got a happy dragon. Day one. Let's see what we got. Oh, oh, they don't make it easy to get out. Gadzooks, I gotta work for this. Oh, day one. It's a D10 with the tens. I don't know if that's coming through very well, but that's pretty cool. It's a red and green swirl. Beautiful. Well, day one of the Advent calendar. I hope your Christmas season is a good one. Safe travels out there. Until next time, seek wonder, stay curious, and go all in with those and what you love.